Hey friends, today we're diving into one of the simplest yet most powerful Excel tools, the fill handle. Now you're thinking, what is the fill handle? If you click on any cell, this is the view that you see. The fill handle is literally this small rectangular box on the right bottom of the cell. Okay, this has so many functionalities. It's used to fill down series, it's used to auto-populate stuff. We're gonna get into it, don't worry about it. So to begin, the first thing that I found the fill handle very useful for is numbering, okay? So one, two, right? If you select both cells and you drag down, you want to get to 50. So drag all the way down till you literally see 50. That's it. That's your numbering complete, okay? Another way it also does is it identifies number patterns and then sort of repeats it. So for example, you want to do 2, 4. If you select both and drag down all the way here, it's going to sort of repeat the pattern by skipping the odd numbers and just using the even numbers. Okay, so that's very useful. Another thing is for dates. Okay, so 01/07/2025. If you select this and you drag all the way down, it's going to auto-populate the dates for you like you want it, just like that. Just like that, as simple as ABC. Okay. Another way that you could do this, right, is if you put 01/07/2025, right? If you click on it, say here, and you go to fill days, it's gonna do that for you. Or you could do fill months, and it's suddenly gonna do months for you. Another way that you can use it on dates is 01/07/2025. Okay, say you want to fill, drag all the way down and then say, okay, fill weekdays. Say you want only weekdays. So go to fill weekdays and you see that it will only bring the dates for weekdays alone. Okay. So you can see from here that we've skipped the 5th and the 6th. We've skipped 12th and 13th because those are weekends. Okay. Another very helpful way is 01/07/2025. Say you receive an invoice once every month on the first day of the month and you want to do that, you could literally drag down and then you select autofill option, there you go, fill month. So you see that it will only pick the first day of the months, being the days that you sort of receive the invoices. All right, great. Another very great tool it does for like invoicing. Okay, so let's say, for example, AT0045 is your invoice number. AT0046 is your invoice number. What it does, if you select both cells and drag down, it sort of follows the parameters that you've set and populates to the bottom. So you don't need to manually do all of that. Okay. Also to mention, the fill handle doesn't only do numbers or dates, it also does like text and stuff. So for example, you have this data set, right? You want to repeat it. Again, if you select all four of them and drag down, it's going to pick the pattern and sort of auto-populate it for you. All right. Finally, we can use the fill handle to auto-populate formulas. Okay. Using the data set here, we're going to pick this times 2 and then this times 3. So you select both and drag down. Voila, what you can see is that it's picked up the formulas and auto-populated it based on the parameters that we set. So there you have it. The fill handle. This tiny square saves so much time. Try it out and let me know how you've used it below. And remember to subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.